Welcome to Khosa Predictors as usual long Dr. Class. Namhlanje sizothetha ngeKaizer Chiefs egqothe ukhosha wayo uNabi. And okwesibini into endifuna sithethe ngayo ukuthi in England ngo number 1 no number 2 no number 3. Siye Italy ku number 1 no number 3. Then siye nase Spain. Masiqale ngoNansika ngoNabi. What happened to Kaizer Chiefs?
Siyabulela mhlekazi ngonamkela kule TV yakho inkulu kangaka. Sibulele naba support bethu besona besilandela. Niqhubeke nesole Xhasa TV yethu siyakhula kancane siyavela ubukhobeni. Xa siya Kaizer Chiefs, iChiefs wena yenze imistake enkulu kakhulu xa ibifuna ileague. But if they were not willing to win a league this season, I think I would say it's not a mistake. The way they are building their team for the future. Because besesibona ukuthi uNabi nalo umqeqeshi nelesekela lakhe ngoku noko akusafana la team bekade hlekwa la season ibethwa ngumuntu ongewina kube kanye enyangeni. Bese sibona ngoyiza neteam eliqelimba ke ndiyazi ukuthi baphoxekile ngoba bethu sesikhukhune 3-0. Bengajonganga ukuthi isikhukhune sine players ezinama. First of all, I don't remember Chiefs better Eric Tinkler since Eric Tinkler Pirates. That is a history between Tinkler and Chiefs.
Yes.
Again, Robra, former sport striker, he always makes sure when he is playing against Kaizer Chiefs, he score a goal, he score 2 goals. Now, they were facing a team that Tinaban Bapre time, Stacy Bonla games, it's still going to be easy for Kaizer Chiefs to win. And I was even shocked Babam Kochi and Kochele who Babe Betway is Kukun. Because this Kukun has been here on a team is strong or any best players, Pirates. Now you're supposed to check if they can beat Pirates, why they can't beat Kaizer Chiefs. Again, so I think they make a mistake there, yeah, because prepare the league, prepare for a long run. Now lo coach usombona noko ikhona into bese beyibona ikhona bese uyilungisa and bamsupporting the players. Now bemele bamlindile ukuthi asebenzise players abamphithuba. And then xa bebona ngoyisizini noko sekupheleni if not abakho happy banamqoshi because ujonga ngoba uzocoach ozaza nabantu bakhe ucoach uzawuqala eqala na game. Ingabe Chiefs iwilling ulinda another season without a cup, another 2 seasons without a cup, because they will say what they were saying that we're building, you see. Okay, I don't think Chiefs, if they make it top 4, it will be like a win to them. It's like they win a league. So I predict that they will be, because of the quality players they have, they will be in top 4.
Yes.
Top 4, top 5. That is their achievement. And I think Pirates this season is supposed to challenge Sundowns. I see them coming and take the league this season. Second spot it will be Sundowns. Third spot it will be Stellenbosch. Fourth it will be Sekhukhune. Chiefs will be in position 5. When you go to England, I think Liverpool, they have everything to win a league this season. Second it will be Arsenal. And then Man City will be on 3rd position. 4th can be Newcastle. When we go to Italy, there's a team there that is on fire that is playing against Man City tonight. They have everything that to challenge the league. We talk about Napoli, they will be on number 1. Secondly, they will be their rivals, not rivals, but this team Inter Milan. On number 3, it will be AC Milan. I think Milan would be on top 3 in Italy. In England, obviously, we see how Madrid are serious this season. I think they will win a league. Secondly, with Barcelona. Again, third team would be Atletico Madrid. Let alone that they are not doing well, but I believe they will come back and take their 3rd spot. I think for today, we're done.
But the last question and was zeziphi team ocinga ba mhlawumbi xa ungumbethi ezibale TV ibhekise kakhulu kuba bethi zeziphi team onozijonga uthi okay ezi team imali yami ngayifaka khona?
Okay,
for in terms of your prediction.
It's tough and predictors. This is tough because the league is tough, but obvious big teams will always come and make you happy, because if you want to bet, make sure you give Bayern Munich straight win, you give Napoli straight win, looking at the team that they are playing against. You give Man City and a draw, or Man City over 1.5. you give Barcelona and Madrid in Spain. When you go to Netherlands, you have Feyenoord, you have PSV. If you go to Portugal, you have Benfica, you have Porto, you have Sporting Lisbon. They can give you money if you are betting for them. When you go to Scotland, you have Rangers, we have Celtics there. Celtic are on form, they are log leaders. When you go to Czech Republic, you have Slavia Prague, you have Sparta Prague, you have yes, those two teams are right there. In South Africa, you can bet for Sundowns, you can bet for Pirates, but you make sure you balance draws to them when you are betting for them. If you go to Morocco, there's White at their own form. You can also give them a win, checking on the team, which team they are playing against, and put a draw. I think those top teams, they are the ones that can make you money on predictions.
Bekungabe sinako namhlanje uDr Maqolo, he was giving his last analysis. Ithabe lapho Dr. Class. Amen.